Okay, so do you know what we're going to be doing today?
Mandala.
Yes, ma'am.
Mandala.
Mandala
Everyone
art.
is somewhere known to this.
Mandala.
Dimple, am I not audible to you? Please check your net connection and your earphones. Okay, so as the ritual, now that you know, पहले हम लोग एक PPT दिखाते हैं, right? जिससे तुम लोग को शायद कुछ चीजें पता हो, वो पता चलती है, कुछ चीजें नहीं पता हो, वो पता चलती है. Okay? So many of you might already know today's topic. Many of you might be doing it also. But कुछ ऐसी चीजें होती है जैसे कि if we go as per the essence of why we are doing it or why is to be done, why people do it. So ये सारे questions is what going to be answered today in this session. So also I can see many of you all have already put in that you have done mandala art, so you can show it to us by the end of the workshop. We would love to see that. Also, if you've done it, please tag us after this if you're going to be trying. Okay. So we'll start with the PPT for now, and then further we'll be going ahead with the demonstration and the learning part. Okay. Okay, so mandala art. I would actually expect like many of you might be knowing it. What exactly it is? How does it look? But can you explain it in your own words? कि like तुम लोग अगर बता सकते हो तो किसी को अगर पता है तो unmute yourself and please answer.
Kind of doodle art.
Doodle art. It is one of the type. Yeah, that is what I'm trying to tell you. Like many of you might have different concepts about mandala art. That is what we are trying to clear it today. Okay, so some of you said
What like Xantagal?
okay, one at a time.
It is like in concentric circles.
Concentric
It's basically
circles.
with measurements.
Accepted. Measurement.
Measurements. It's basically with measurements and mostly in circular formats.
Yes, it is mostly in circular formats, but people go creative with it. The authentic one is actually in circular formats, yes. Apart from that, anything else? Measurement,
It is
shows symmetry.
based on geometric. Yeah, geometry and symmetry.
Yes, it does. Yes, there is a concept related with mandala art wherein you have geometry and concentric circles and the specific motifs that you do. Okay, it is an old art. It's actually not an art form. Okay, art forms are different. We've tried to get inspiration from mandala and try to create a creativity kind of a form. Okay, it's not an old art, but it has an old significance. Okay, that is what we are trying to understand what exactly it is. Okay, so next.
And also the pattern which we are doing is like a recurring form. We don't change the designs every time. We do the same design to all the things. Like in a particular circle, we do the same design.
Okay, so that's actually that depends on what kind of design you want to make. Okay, it doesn't have to be a compulsion that it has to repeat. You can go creative with it. Okay, but the main significance is what I'll be telling you so that you understand why so. Okay? Okay, Nikita ma'am, next please. Okay, so like we said, mandala is basically circles, right? So you might have heard a lot of time ki people tell a lot of things about nakshatra and about mandals, even your kundli and everything. You have different kinds of astrology being depicted with that, right? So it was an old form of that which is being used to depict some kind of story or say that to depict your chakras. Fair enough? Too technical, maybe many of you might not have thought about it. So we'll be going ahead and then you will understand. So basically it's a deeper connection or say a powerful existence of a period. Fine. And it is related to your universe also, like your solar system. There is always a center of each and every, say whether it is human body or whether it is any kind of universe or anything. Okay, so that is what your mandala is. How does it affect the other factors that are related with that center? Okay. Yes, no? Everyone getting it?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yeah. Nikita ma'am, next slide, please. Yeah, so why do we do it? Okay, it is actually a picture, like symbolic picturization. Like I said, something that you wanted to depict, something that is being used to heal. Okay, like I said, it is being related to your chakras also. You have different auras in your body, or if you actually see, you have like 7 chakras in your body, and you have different auras related to that chakra. Okay, so basically these kind of mandalas do heal those also. That aura cleansing thing that you actually talk about, it is also related to that. And apart from that, mandal is something that is kind of a visualization of the whole mind. Okay, in a very, I can say, skilled act. Fine. Then healing. Okay, like I said, it does have a spiritual existence also. Many of you do it for your creative purpose, right? But then actual में अगर हम लोग देखने जाए तो it does promote a spiritual circle. It promotes your mindfulness. It promotes attention, okay, focus, and also promotes healing. Like I said, each and every chakra of yours and each and every aura related to that chakra needs healing. बेसिकली अगर कोई नेगेटिव थॉट्स वगैरह आए हैं, यू डू सम काइंड ऑफ आर्ट फॉर्म, जैसे कि तुम लोगों ने जेंटैंगल किया विच रिलीव्ड योर स्ट्रेस, so the same kind has the same kind of significance these mandalas also do have. इसीलिए हम लोग मंदिर में वगैरह जाके देखे तो हमारे यज्ञ का कुंड जो रहता है उसके बाजू में यू सी सम काइंड ऑफ बॉर्डर्स या सम काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स बीन ड्रॉन beside it, right? So that is actually for the religious purpose of it. That is considered to be auspicious when you draw mandala.
Kind of
Yes,
rangoli.
actually, the rangoli, why you draw it on each and every festival of yours? Because it is like a center of your main, what do you say, the universe. It creates a center and gets all those positive energy in that center. So you try and create those rangolis outside your house so that you get all those positive energy or you attract those positive energy. Okay, so the same kind is your mandala. Okay, शायद इतना डीप में कभी सोचा नहीं रहेगा, अभी सोचोगे तो शायद कुछ समझ में आएगा. So like I said, there are like 7 chakras in your body. Okay, as you can see, it's been pointed out. You have here, then you have it here, throat, heart, stomach. Okay, so basically you have 7 different chakras which are related with 7 different colors. Okay, so you might have seen people drawing colored mandalas, right? So that will depict each and everything. So if suppose there are like specific colors, if I have to show you, there are like different colors for different kind of levels that you draw in mandala. So anytime, any basic mandala that you're trying to do, okay, so basically if you see here, red, yellow, so basically you start with the root, okay, so if you see it is right in the center of your body, that's the center of your universe, and then you move upwards in a clockwise direction, okay, which will show you different kinds, like each and every color has its own psychology. So each and every color will show you different kind of purity, infinity, red power. Okay. So if you see here, I'll be starting with red and then further I'll go ahead. So if you see here, in this, you see smell, taste, vision, all these chakras that I'm talking about are these in your body. That is smell, taste, vision, touch. Okay. So basically, each of your chakra has a specific kind of color that is being denoted to it. So the first chakra, like I said, is the root. Next, if you can see, it changes from red to orange to purple, that then goes to green, then goes to blue, then a darker blue, and then the purple. Okay, that's how actually when you're trying to do your colored mandala, you do it. And whichever chakra you want to try and heal, you make it either a little bit more intricate, or then you increase that specific kind of level in that whole chakra. Like basically when you're drawing your mandalas, if you see it here in my drawing, I have each and every chakra maybe in a different proportion. Okay, so suppose I am more of concerned with my third eye, that is more of like my intuition. Okay, so what I'll do is, to more of increase or improve that, I'll be drawing that in a bigger proportion than the others. So that is what will help you in healing that specific chakra. Okay? Next. So like I said, ancient time, it was more of like a depiction or say something that is related to auspicious things. This is how it is. So more of, if you see, if you find these kinds of arts, they are more of followed by Buddhism, because they believe in all these kinds of chakras and all of this. Could you please send? Yes, sure. We'll try and send it. Okay. We'll just see how we can. Otherwise, you can just take a screenshot or something like that when it's on. Okay. So basically, this is how the actual form of mandalas are. शायद ये भी देखा नहीं रहेगा. Many of you might have visited Dharamshala or Tibet, or that is way too much, but Shimla, right? You might have seen these kinds of inscriptions being done on it. So that is something that relates to your elements of nature, that is something related to your gods, that is something related to specific kinds of anything that is significant for that specific person. Okay, so every mandala, if you see, is different from another, but then every mandala will have a center, every mandala will have a border, it will include petals. Those petals might be in different variations. Okay, if you see in the first thing, it is more of like the center is Om, and then uska alag significance is what is being filled in those petals beside it. Okay, in the center one, if you see, that is more of related to nature, or one specific kind of we can say kingdom. Okay, which is more of related to nature. Then the third, if you see, it is more of something related to Buddhist monks, or say Buddhism. Okay, so that is how they actually change. And iska inspiration leke abhi jo tum log jo creative cheeze dekh rahe ho na, yeah, many of you might have done it, that is what is inspired from these mandalas. Okay, that is just a development, or say an inspiration that has been taken to develop your own design. Okay, next. How can you use it in fashion or interiors? So yes, one of your embroidery or design patterns, you can use it for that. Okay, like I said, you can get inspired from various other things around you. So if specifically we talk about mandalas, this is how you can do them. Fine. Whereas it is embroidery, then even tattoo is a part of fashion, right? So you can do that. Apart from that, the basic idea, if I have to tell you, your lehenga has different kinds of kalis, right? Nikita, next picture, please. Yeah, so basically you have different kind of kalis here. So if you actually assemble them all together, you get an inspiration that was from mandalas. Understood? And also for your illustration. So if you actually keep it in a circle, you see that whole border being completed, or the whole design being completed. And then again your symmetry, your center, your borders, your petals, that is what comes. Okay, so that is one of the inspiration forms that we've taken, and that is how we've applied that in interiors. Fashion. And the second thing, interiors, if you talk about, again, inspiration kahin se bhi liye ja sakte hai. So it can be crochets, it can be dream catchers. You can create various other forms like these, as you can see it in the picture. Also, the one that I've done on the wall, you can also create different kind of paintings for wall treatments, or maybe design a decal. Okay, that's like stickers and stick it on your wall, right? It does make it beautiful. Now I've got a nice background behind me, which I thought of using it today. Okay, so apart the next thing, yeah, like you can see different kind of wall textures. Also, you might have seen those bed sheets, specific circular designs or patterns being made, covers के ऊपर specific kind of it being made. Now you can make it like divided into like a quarter mandala, or say a full-fledged mandala, or an half one, however you want to use it in your creativity. Okay. Also frames, you can mismatch them, put it into, so that is basically accessories, how you can use it. Also any other inspiration that you're getting from mandalas, you can use it in that way. So there is no also henna designs, yes you can, yes they are one of the types, but then you cannot directly there is a slight difference when you talk about mandalas and henna designs. Henna designs is more of like free flowing, like we said, it is not actually mehendi design when we talk about mandala. Okay, henna or mehendi design, so many of you might have an idea ki, yeah, you can use it as bookmarks creatively depending how you want to put it. Okay. Many of you have a misconception that mandala is something that is henna design, but that is not actually the case. Okay, Mehendi design won't have a center always, but if you talk about mandala, it will have a center. Okay, that is what I'm trying to tell you. And also there are like different forms, or say different specific patterns and shapes that are being done, and that is what is being like depending upon how hands-on you are with the design, you go into much more detailed and intricate patterns. Okay. Next. Okay, so there are like two types of mandalas that we usually do. The main thing, if you have to talk about, one is the even mandala. So if you talk about those, in that your patterns are one beside the other. Okay, like one circle, as you can see it here, right? It is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is one beside the other. Okay, here in this. Whereas there is something that is called as basic mandala, or say an alternative mandala, wherein this would be at side, okay, one beside the other, and इसके बीच में एक पत्ता आना चाहिए. So that is basically alternate mandalas, as you can see it in the diagram on the slide. Okay, one is one beside the other, so all your patterns, all your designs that you're trying to make is going to go one beside the other. Okay, also when you try doing the next level, that is also going to go one beside the other. The second one, if you see, yeah, the basic one that Nikita ma'am is now pointing out, if you see that, the other side, Nikita, yeah, if you see, that is an alternate, मतलब दो के बीच में एक जा रहा है. Okay, so basically one of the motif, second of the motif, and उसके बीच में और एक. This is how it will go in the whole circular forms that you put. Okay. Next. Okay, so now we'll start demonstrating. So we had told you all to prepare yourself with a grid that we had sent in the group. Are you guys prepared with that? Like,
Yes,
have you
ma'am.
done it?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I would request all of you to keep your books, your that grid page, and your scales, pencils, everything ready with you. Graph sheet, yes, will work if you are better, but just see the proportion, because we had said about 0.5%, like centimeters as the measurement. Graph book might have 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter, so you'll have to divide it, or else you'll have to increase the proportion of whatever we are telling. Okay, so like we said, mandala is not actually henna design. right? So if you can see ऊपर वाला picture में, if you see there's pointed arch, there's triangle, there's a bump, or a semicircle if you want to call. Then there is square, circle, right? तो जब भी तुम लोग कोई भी मंडला देखो, the main thing that you will see is all your designs or all your motifs will revolve around these things only and not anything else. Now, now if you're thinking about the floral mandala, if you're talking about the zodiac mandala, if you're talking about the fish mandala and all of those things, that are just inspiration. But if I talk about an authentic mandala, only these kinds of say patterns are used, okay, and then it has been developed further. Clear with this? Should we start the drawing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. So I'll show you a full-fledged one after a point. Okay. Nikita ma'am will start demonstrating for you all now. Nikita ma'am, ready? इसने अभी एक्चुअली इसके बारे में सोचा कि ऐसा भी कुछ है? कितने जन ने एक्चुअली सोचा कि ऐसा भी कुछ होता है?
नो मैम।
कम ऑन यार, मैंने इतना बड़बड़ किया, किसी ने कभी सोचा कि इतना सब कुछ थ्योरीज है हर एक आर्ट के पीछे जो तुम लोग करते हो अभी तक? इंस्टाग्राम पे तो बहुत सारी चीजें दिख जाती है, पर उसके पीछे का कभी हम लोग ढूंढने नहीं जाते कि उसका मेन सिग्निफिकेंस क्या होता है, राइट?
उसमें इतना सारा मीनिंग रहता है, वो नहीं पता था बिल्कुल भी।
एग्जैक्टली। सो जैसे मेरे को आंसर स्टार्टिंग में मिले, उसी से समझ गया था कि यू माइट नो द ड्राइंग्स but you don't know the significance. So one tip, anytime that you're seeing something, right, any art form, anything in your life, just try and figure out the significance of it. Maybe there is a lot more theory behind doing it in that way.
Oh, all
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, guys, Nikita ma'am will start demonstrating. Okay, so be ready with your materials.
Yes, ma'am.
Guys, what we are going to do is now, I hope you guys are ready with your materials and the grids.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. We are ready.
Yes. Okay. So now you have seen on the slide that first we will be working as per the only shapes which are used as per the mandala, right? So there were few shapes which Ankita ma'am showed you, which is pointed arch. Then one was bump.
Triangle,
Then triangle, square.
It's bump, bump.
So I'll just make those shapes here so that you can remember those shapes basically. So one is your pointed arch, next is your triangle, after that is your bump, then a square and a circle.
Okay, so now any mandala that you observe, just see to it that there might be variations in this, but you will more of see only these things there. Like these forms maybe there might be variations, जैसे कि pointed arch, not necessary pointed arch ऐसे ही हो. But if I talk about this specifically, this is a variation of pointed arch. I put it in leaf format. So maybe I needed more of it in a boho style, so I put it this way. Okay, but maybe you might need it in any specific intricate Indian traditional style, so you put your pointed arch in that way, or you design your pointed arch in that way. Okay.
So definitely now whatever grids we have made, or maybe whatever grids you have, some may have graph paper, some may have checkered pad, some may have made their own grids. So it is totally fine if you're changing the proportion, if you're changing the size. Okay, I would be making some designs here. You can have a look over those, and if you are okay making the same thing, it's fine. If not, if you want to explore some new ideas, some new designs, because there are some common basic patterns which Ankita ma'am showed you, right? In the previous slide, what Ankita ma'am showed you, there were common basic patterns. Based on that, we'll be doing it. So it is always better if you are exploring those ideas.
Nikita ma'am, can you show them the other slides so that they get an idea and they can design their own? So
Yeah,
guys,
sure,
they're
sure.
not teaching you anything because they're not like the significance is now known to you, right? So that is how you have to design it through, and also we'll be showing you a few variations of how you can put it. Okay, so that is how you guys can try it and show it to us how what kind of variation you have of your own that you've created. Okay, so you just have to take like four grids of those, like four squares together, just design that specific motif for that time, and then we'll put it into a whole fledged proper mandala and then we'll use it. Okay, next.
Ma'am, we don't need to make these patterns like that one
No, see,
large
basically,
triangle.
if you see, these are only like the variations that we are trying to tell you. Like every mandala, if you see, will have a center. Okay, whether it is a half one or whether it is a full one, it will always have a center. It will have borders to it, and then it will have petals to it. Okay,
Ma'am,
that is
I've
the
made
main
two. Is it
significance.
okay?
Yeah, you've made, that is fine, that's not an issue, but if we talk about basic shapes, this is how the basic shapes are. Like we talk about pointed arch, we talk about squares, we talk about triangle, we talk about bump. So this is how they've
Yeah.
been put in continuous manners below, if you see basic shapes that has been written in the picture. Okay, and then we talk about filled shapes. So basically मैंने अभी ये petal तो बना दिया, but petal अगर मैं plain रखती तो शायद अच्छा नहीं दिखता. So I made it using lines inside it, right? So you can try different variations in the same pointed arch, the same triangle, the same bump, the same square, or the same circle. Clear enough? So
Yeah.
we have a few more variations that you can see further in the slides, and then we would expect you all to take any of these five forms and then try your own. Next. Can you see different variations of the same pointed arch? So basically I take pointed arch, but the fillings inside the pointed arch are different, and they're creating different kind of design. They're depicting different kind of intricacy in them, right? So if you want steps, it is being given stepwise of how you can complete the whole, like how you can achieve the last end final design. Next. The same kind, if we talk about pointed arch, that was just plain pointed arch that we showed you on this side. But if you see the other side, the same pointed arch is being designed out, the outline of that is different. So that is what the variation that we were talking, doesn't have to be pointed arch in this way only, it can turn to this or this, depending upon how you want to take it. Then the triangles, again, these are the very few basic ideas that we have been showing you, but you can develop your own. Maybe जो तुम लोग को pointed arch में पसंद आया, वही same fillings तुम लोग ये triangle में भी दे सकते हो. Okay. Next. Depends on how contemporary or how modernized mandala you want to make, or any mandala pattern that you want to make, and the traditional one. So there are two variations in the same triangle. So अगर तुम लोग कुछ contemporary जाना है तो it will look something like this. If you want to make it more intricate, you can make it like this, or say Indian traditional. Okay. Also in mandalas, if you see, there is one aspect that you might have like abhi tak jitne bhi dekhe, like if you see bump also, there are like different intricate patterns being done inside it. Okay, and also there are major part is being filled with black. Now can anyone tell me why is it why is that done, like why the filling in that intricate pattern already भरा हुआ है, उसमें वापस काला क्यों डालना है, या फिर वापस उसको पूरा भरना क्यों है? Can anyone tell me why?
To look attractive.
Attractive, yes.
हाईलाइट करने के लिए.
It looks bold, yes. Actually, it is to make it more bolder, क्योंकि अंदर इतने सारे patterns है, अगर सिर्फ line work में दो तो शायद वो दिख के नहीं आए. Anything that you put with a dark background, वो जो अंदर का pattern रहेगा वो और ज़्यादा दिख के आता है. right?
Yes.
Yes. Also, it doesn't look untidy. That is a trick that you can use for any of your line work that's gone wrong. Chipane ke liye. It doesn't look empty. Yes. So, like I said, depends on which kind of mandala that you are trying to make. Okay. Next, if you see square, different fillings, like this is just one of the options that we've shown. Also the same square can be used alternate patterns में या फिर जैसे कि upside down यहाँ पे दिया गया है एक side में एक side पे it is guys, this session is already recorded, so we'll be sending you the link, so don't worry. If you see it's in the same direction on the other side, then one is without the border, which has only thick outline. One is all together. If I place it differently, they're creating different patterns. So it depends on how you want to take it.
Wow.
And circles. So basically, if you see, each circle has a word related to it. One shows connection, one shows femininity, one shows awareness. So each of your mandala will have a specific kind of that aspect to it. Okay, that is the significance that we were talking about. Like the peace, some kind of designs will just give you peace, calmness. Some kind of design will give you romance. Some kind of design will give you strength because they are bolder, they are thick lines being used, there have been dark patterns, huge patterns being used. Okay, and circles, like we said, basically the overall mandala of yours is in a circle, so that is how it's been used. And also circles may be same intricate patterns आप लोग दे सकते हैं. Okay. Okay, so now what we'll do is, and this is the drop. In the end, every mandala, if you see, will have an end point to it. Okay, which will have like a drop kind of. जैसे कि यहाँ पे दिख रहा है, ये इतना ही pattern. There is no definite shape around it. Okay. That is just to give it an end. कि ऐसा incomplete नहीं रखे कि ऐसा ही circle करके छोड़ दिया. Okay, so now Nikita ma'am will demonstrate a few. Now that you've got an idea of what exactly we are trying to do, right? So what exactly drop are, what are the fillings that you can go ahead. You have a few examples in front of you. So we would like to see your version of those fillings. Okay.
Now what we can do is we can ask these people to use these shapes and we can ask them to work out some patterns based on these shapes.
Oh yeah,
Like
sure.
maybe the
We would actually like to see your variations now. Okay, because many of you might know those things, or even if you want to try it because it's something new, or maybe you've understood the significance of it. So, guys, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, so we'll start with a pointed arch. So everyone has to make their own version of pointed arch and try filling it with your
we
own.
will also do it.
Yeah. Oh, I have nothing to do with right now. I'm not sitting with the material.
But I guess
यार मैंने
this will
दीवार
help.
भर दी और क्या चाहिए? Guys, do you have empty walls? I would love to see if you can do that. ज्यादा मांग लिया बट हाँ ठीक है यार, क्वारंटाइन है, घर पे बैठे बैठे दूसरा कुछ सूझेगा नहीं.
Ankita ma'am, could you demonstrate one time?
Okay, definitely.
Yes. रिया इज लाइक मॉम बाहर फेंक देगी. मेरी माँ ने नहीं फेंका, मुझे घर पे रख लिया देख के. She's given me another wall that is in the living room. She's like, do that one also.
Okay.
यार पेंट मिलता है मार्केट में. डोंट वरी, रॉन्ग जाएगा. पेंट मिलता है मार्केट में, वापस दीवार को कलर कर देना.
Okay, I'll just demonstrate a few. First, we'll go with pointed arch. Okay. I hope you all have your grids properly done. So we can have few grids used for one particular design. Now the size can be decided by your own. I am doing it in four. Okay, 4 horizontal grids and 4 vertical grids. Okay, so I'll just show you by marking them. I hope it is visible. So now I'm making a pointed arch. So filling this design shouldn't be typically what I am doing. It can be your own particular design also. If you are not getting the correct design right now, you can copy the same what I am doing. First, you can try it by your own. So I'm just making few particular designs. I have made the border and I've started filling those inside part.
Depends which part you want to blacken or which kind of motif you want to fill it with. Okay.
So I have used the same patterns. What you have seen triangle. Then I have used a bump. I have used the pointed arch. I have also used some lines and dots.
Like ma'am has done, you can use 2 colors also. If you have different mediums, you can use those mediums and then try and make it more interesting. प्रिया मम्मी मारेगी ये स्टेज पे भी.
हाँ आज भी नहीं छोड़ती है मम्मी मुझे.
डरते हो तुम.
Mom,
Yes,
not able to see.
this is not visible.
No, mom, it's not visible. Yeah. Mom, it's a lot blur.
1 second. Now can you see it?
नहीं mom, वायर का shadow आ रहा है.
अभी.
Yes, mom. Thank you.
So now whatever outline I made, the same pointed arch I am making with another pattern, the bump one.
Guys, if you see, you have made grids, right? So try and use those grids to make it more similar on both the sides when you're trying to design that pattern. Use the grid कि वो एक box में मैंने अगर ये चीज बनाया तो try and replicate the same thing in the other grid that is there exactly beside it. So that you get a very symmetrical motif.
Is anybody finished with one particular design? Nobody yet?
Guys, you don't have to make the whole mandala. Just take 4 boxes and then try doing.
Just try some shapes first.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Who's it?
Shilpa.
Shilpa, can you just put a spotlight
Yes,
on her?
Shilpa, nice. Nice.
Nice.
Yeah, so you can try a few more variations in it.
Yes, ma'am.
So I've just made one. You can try more. Because there
Shilpa's
are
tried
n
a
number of
dot.
designs.
Shilpa's tried drop. She's tried pointed arch and one more.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah, she's tried a bump. Yes, bump or a semicircle, you can say.
Oh.
Anyone else who's tried a little bit modernized kind of thing? Yes, Geenal. Nice.
Thank
Kranti, nice. Oh, Kranti's finished a whole border. Nice. Yukta, nice. Yes, Yukta is, I can say, a little bit more modernized or a contemporary one. Nice.
Anybody else? So I guess majority have started doing one
Keep.
particular design.
Oh, wow. Okay. Nice. Okay, so if you put this in a circle, it is going to look really beautiful. Yes, Jeet, nice. Guys,
Anybody
can you
else?
turn on your cameras, please? Many of you have kept your cameras off. We would like to see your faces, yeah. You're both sitting at home. Dimple, nice. Dimple, can you fill a few things so that your intricate designs inside the fill-up that you've done would come out? Like would be highlighted. A little
Yeah,
more
yeah, ma'am.
fill-up
Okay.
in the center.
Okay.
Guys,
So
try
we
circles, try
can try,
triangle.
yes. We can try other shapes also. So I've just made two designs in a leaf pattern, or maybe you can say pointed arch.
अरे मंडळी आज आज बहुत शांत है लोग इतना इतना स्पिरिचुअल लेवल पे चले गए क्या तुम लोग
सब काम कर
Very focused. मैम बहुत focused है.
इतना इतना स्पिरिचुअल लेवल पे चले गए
मैम ये कैसा है?
nice Prerna nice yeah this is what I was talking about Nikhil sir can you put Prerna on spotlight please
Even बीजल का भी बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है.
Wow.
yeah so
Nice.
guys if I speak to you about the modernized part of it this is how you can play only with lines and those petals now she has used only borders and a few petals on the side to complete her mandala okay and also if you see she has a center that it starts from that's the focus point of the whole mandala okay next was Bijal even Bijal has done Nikhil sir Bijal please yes so she's done a half mandala okay this is more like a intricate traditional sort that she's done nice so you can make it into a quarter you can make a half one you can make a full one so depends on what kind of significance you want to show nice okay any other variations of your motifs anyone oh Nikita ma'am has got okay
Hello, ma'am.
hi Jeet
Ma'am, how is this, ma'am?
nice
जीत का स्पॉटलाइट पे डालो सर.
Yeah, so
Very nice.
he's made 3 mandalas differently and then clubbed them together and made a whole art piece out of it. That's nice.
Hello, ma'am.
Nice.
Actually, I have a doubt. This is
Yes.
Jinal here. So,
Yes.
is it necessary that mandala is always in circle? Because I have a doubt. What is this called?
Okay, so if you talk about mandala, it is actually circle. Okay, this if I tell you, this is more of like a patterned doodle thing,
Okay.
which is inspired from the motifs of mandala, but you've not put it in a circular format.
Right.
Videos are
You use the mandala ka inspiration in a creative format.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, welcome. Well, it's beautiful. Can you show it? Show it to us, please.
Sure.
Guys, this is what I was talking about. Like you get various inspirations out of mandala, and that is how you can create like different patterns. Okay. So if I'm talking about yeah, so the same similar kind of motifs that we are talking about, she's used the same in a different form. Okay, nice.
Ma'am,
Ma'am.
can you check this? Akshata.
Yes. Who's this?
There are so many people who have done it so nicely.
Nice. Krishi, I can see yours. Nikhil sir, Krishi, please. We'll go one by one of your variations of mandala. Okay, so yeah, you've used a background, like a wash background of different colors and then tried putting it. Nice.
Ma'am.
Yes. Who's next?
Megha
Akshita
here.
was showing one. Akshita.
Megha here. I have made a bookmark.
Yeah, we'll go ahead with one by one. Akshita, Nikhil sir, Akshita, please. Acha, Megha, show it.
Yeah.
Nice. So it is more of something that is related to your teacher, God, anything like that. Teacher, yeah. So this is what I was telling you. Like you can create different kind of mandalas which are inspired by nature, which are inspired by zodiacs. Okay.
Ma'am.
To one that we'll go ahead. Who else has done? Akshata.
Yes, ma'am.
We'll see Akshata's first, then we'll go to Yukta. Yeah, so this is the zodiac one, is it Akshata?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, which sign is this?
The 9th size.
Oh, nice.
I love the patterns what she had made.
Yeah, very beautiful. Yes, Yukta. Yukta, have you made a bookmark or is it a larger proportion? थोड़ा बड़ा है ये? Bookmark का size का नहीं है ना?
It is a bookmark.
Okay, it is a bookmark.
No.
Nice. Even I have a few. Nice.
Ma'am, that's
Anyone else who's done it?
Pratibha.
Pratibha. Shilpa, even Shilpa is showing one. So we'll see Pratibha's first, then we'll go ahead with Shilpa.
Yes, ma'am.
Shilpa, show yours. Nice. Oh, it's very cute.
I love the Buddha. Baby
Pratibha
Buddha.
is very cute, yeah. So I can see more of like a floral with Buddha inspiration here,
Yes, ma'am.
right? More of like a
Yes, ma'am.
spiritual kind.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, nice. So can
Thank
you
you.
see all of you have a different variation of your mandala that it is showing. Nice. Oh wow, Pratibha, you can sorry, Shilpa, you can make it a little more intricate. It looks beautiful.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Welcome. Also try it with the chakra colors that we told you. I'll be showing you mine so that you understand.
Actually, वो
These शहर.
कि पता चले ना तो कौन से यूज करने ये just
Yeah,
try किया.
I'll be showing it to you. Don't worry.
Yes,
I've done
ma'am.
a few, so I'll be showing it to you. Oh, nice. Seher, beautiful.
Wow.
See, she's actually included a half mandala into various proportions and then done it. Nice.
N number of bumps.
How's this?
Oh wow.
Wow.
Nice.
Petas.
Shweta,
Yeah.
nice. Beautiful.
Ma'am, one more I have made on the wall.
Yeah, we would. Acha, you have also done. Okay, nice.
श्वेता की मम्मी ने बाहर नहीं निकाला अभी.
नहीं
प्रिया,
ma'am.
प्रिया देख, श्वेता की मॉम ने बाहर नहीं निकाला उसको. Oh, pretty. You had to complete it. You're
Yes.
completing it. Oh, nice. Are just complete it and send us a picture. We would love to see that.
How's this?
Nice. Ria, you've done it in different way, but yes, we would like to see yours as well. Kadambari Bagu, काय केलंस तू?
Which color you used for wall?
Sorry? Oh, Kadambari, nice.
Ma'am,
Like side is more of like a mandala pattern. Nice. भारी तुमचं टॅलेंट असं क्वारंटाईन मध्येच कसं बाहेर येत आहे हो?
Ankita ma'am.
Yes. Can you tell your name please?
Sonam.
Sonam. Nikhil sir, Sonam. Oh, nice. Yes, again a modernized mandala. Pretty, yeah. Very intricate.
Colors.
Yeah.
She has used the colors.
So basically, you've used the colors in an opposite direction. Yeah, nice. You can that doesn't have to be like center color yahi aana chahiye, but chakras ka specific colors hota hai which she's used and she's done it on the descending order, right? The red outside, then the orange, then the yellow.
Yeah, I was doing the rainbow colors,
Nice.
not the chakras.
Yeah, but now did you understand why those colors?
And Yukta here.
Yes, Yukta. Nice. Yukta, this is more like a doodle.
More of like a Zentangle, I would say.
Zentangle with doodle. I can see mix of patterns actually. Zen doodle jo bolte hai na. This is more of that. Nice. Oh wow.
Auntie.
शलाका बघू की. अरे मी चॅट मध्ये कसं बघणार तुम्ही कॅमेरावर दाखवा ना. Guys, just hold it to your screen so that we'll highlight and then everyone can see it. Wow.
Nice.
Nice. Anyone else?
Check Riyaz.
अजून आहे
Riyaz
शलाका.
आहे.
Oh, nice. भारी. करा अजून बनवा.
Bijal also
अजून
has
एक आहे.
one,
Okay.
I guess. Bijal has, Riya has.
Ma'am.
Nice. Yes, Seher. Yeah, beautiful. Riya, nice. Yeah, so now I understood where the red, the yellow, the blue came from.
Only her presentation is a bit different, as she said.
Yeah. Nice. Yeah, Akshata, I've been seeing a lot of yours. You've been posting it and you've been sending it to us. So we've seen a lot.
Her work is
Continue
beautiful.
doing those. Yeah, do continue doing those. They're beautiful.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, we don't have a specific design.
No, there is no limitation for that. The only thing is if you're going for an authentic one, it has to be somewhere in the circles. And if you see any authentic ones used, you'll see only these forms being used in them, like the pointed arch or the leafy pattern or the
Ma'am, can you
semicircle.
show your wall painting, that flower, that small flower?
My wall painting, okay, small wall.
Ankita ma'am has many
Okay.
more such artworks.
No, but I can't show it to you all right now. The thing is, okay, 1 minute. I'll use my phone. Can you see? You can say spotlight, please.
Yeah.
Yeah, so this is what I was talking about, the even one. And this is like the half that I've done. Okay, and these are like the smaller ones that I've put in various formations.
कौन से कलर्स यूज किए?
I use the acrylic ones. निखिल सर spotlight इधर दूसरे इसमें. Yeah. So these are like, I had no other option because I did it in the quarantine right now. So I had, luckily I had acrylic paints. So I just started freehand doodling it on the wall, and then I thought it's looking nice, so let us just make it a little more permanent. So acrylic, normal acrylic paints that you use for your painting is what I've used on the wall. So it doesn't have to be a very full-fledged proper Asian paints. Do it on your wall.
Sana tried it. The basic pattern she tried.
Nice. Okay, so now that you're known to what exactly and how the patterns can be done and what exactly the patterns are or the motives are, I'll just show you how you can complete the overall. Like many of you all have already done it a lot of times, but then just let me show you for who all are doing it for the first time. Sana, you're welcome. We would love to see a few more works coming up. So I'll just show you all a few things.
निखिल सर प्लीज स्पॉटलाइट पे डालो अंकिता मैम से
Okay, so this is what I have done, like just to demonstrate on how those circles have to be drawn. Okay.
Is this canvas?
Sorry?
Is this canvas?
No, this is a normal colored paper, the scrapbook papers that you get. So this is what I've used. So with a compass or say a rounder, you first draw circles with a pencil. So that is how you'll get. So depending how many circles or how many intricate designs you want to make. और also you can add it after like you suppose अगर तुमने इतना बड़ा वाला space कुछ बनाया है पहला और दूसरा circle में and you think you can add up one more, then that is how you can do it later on also. Okay.
Ankita ma'am, can you just hold it a bit closer to your camera? The design is a bit.
No, I'll show the design in a while. Can you just see the lines that I'm showing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So basically with like maybe because I wanted to draw a whole of mandala and depends which proportion you want to draw, I just drew the circles first. Okay. And if at all I felt like adding a few more, then depending जैसे जैसे मैंने design बनाती गई, and if you think you needed a little more space या less space, depending upon that, first just draw it with pencil, your circles, and then try and doing with a pen. Okay. Next, you use a protractor. Yes. So basically, what I have done is यहाँ पे center पे रख के you have degrees on your protractor, right? Yeah. Everyone. So that is how I have done it, like to get proper divisions in the thing. So I've used a protractor, and each and every degree is what I've marked. So if you need say यहाँ से 0 to 10 के बीच में अगर तुम लोग को नहीं चाहिए और 0 to 20 चाहिए, so you can directly or mark the line there. Okay, like I have done. And then with a scale you can just join it to the center. So you get these kinds of divisions in your mandala. Okay, and that's how you can start filling one grid of yours. जैसे कि मैंने यहाँ पे किया है. So that depends on which kind of motive you want to go ahead with.
Ma'am, can you show the design?
Yeah. Can you see?
Ma'am, a bit ahead.
Ma'am, is it white pen or a poster color?
It's a normal white pen. Normal white pen, because I had a green, and if I would have done it with a black, it wouldn't have given that effect that it is showing right now. So this is what I've done. Can you see it right now?
Yes.
Yeah, so these are what patterns I have done. I didn't want it to be a little way too intricate and way too Indian, so I tried doing it in a little modernized way. So I've completed only a portion so I can finish off the whole. Okay, I would suggest whatever partitions you make here or divisions you make, just see to it that you draw it with pencil first, so that if you don't want it or if you feel like you don't need it, you can erase it later. Okay, and also it wouldn't come along in disturbance with your design that you've done.
Ma'am, have you designed by this brush? This design?
Yeah, I've used a brush. The wall one that you're asking?
No, this paper, color paper.
No, this is a pen.
Okay, white pen.
Yeah, white pen. If I have to show you, this is the white pen that I've used. The normal
What's
gel white pen that you get.
Gel white pen. Okay,
Yeah,
gel
the
white
normal
pen.
gel white pen that you get.
Okay.
Okay. Or you can use a stabilo or like a black stabilo or a micro tip that you have, or sketch pen. So medium is not compulsory. Depends on how thick or how thin you want it. You can even do it with a paint brush. Like if you see the wall one, that is the paint brush that I've used. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
for for mandala art, we use sketch pens or Staedtler pens.
That is one person's choice, like whatever is available, whatever medium you
But
want to
ma'am,
go ahead
with
with.
sketch pen, stains would come on the paper, right?
Yeah, so that is why they're like I said, there's no compulsion as such. That is one specific person's like what exactly paper you're using. उसके हिसाब से अगर तुम लोग को पीछे stains नहीं चाहिए, so you can use a micro tip pen. Okay, in that case.
But ma'am, for these colors, like even I had done, so I had actually used the Staedtler pens, but still stains had come.
Okay, so then in that case, you might have to change your paper that you're using. Maybe go for a thicker
I'm
paper.
using normal sketchbook, my art sketchbook.
Okay, so ideally, maybe you're keeping your pen so it's blotting way too much. Okay. So like whatever tip of the pen you have, just pick it when you're done drawing the line. Don't keep it on the page so that it won't blot and create spots.
Okay.
Okay. So this is the colored one that I was talking. Yes, Sahar, anything else?
Ma'am, even you have used Staedtler pens?
No, these are normal glitter pens that I had at home. Half the things are in the office right now, so we don't have much of stationery. Okay, so this is more like a marbled background paper. If you see, I have marble papers here. Okay, so you can create something like many of you had done a background of wash, right? So you can create these kinds of patterns and then draw. So this is one that I was talking about related to chakras. Okay, so like I said, each chakra has its own specific colors. So if you see this, we start with red, then we move on to yellow, then orange, green, blue, and the purple. Okay. Yes.
Ma'am, it's red, yellow, orange, green.
Red, yellow, orange, green, blue.
Green, blue.
Then a darker blue. So first it comes as a light blue, and then if you see this line here, that's a darker blue. Here, this one is a darker blue. And then I've just added a pink that is for the variation or gradation, as you can see. And the last one is purple. Okay, and whenever you're doing it for a chakra healing or something like that, try not to use instruments. You do it freehand. Okay, so more of जब भी तुम लोग अभी basic black pen से वगैरह कर रहे हो या colors वाला कर रहे हो तो that is fine. But if you're doing for a purpose that is chakra healing, okay, or that aura cleansing thing, you try doing it without any instrument. Like जैसे अभी compass से circles वगैरह बनाया, try not doing that.
Ma'am, without a compass.
Yeah. Tough है, but yes, बन जाएगा. Okay, maybe it'll take a while to do it, but then वो बन जाएगा. Don't worry.
Ma'am, grids are made just for the practice, right?
That is just to get a proper similar idea. Nothing else. More of like for your designs not to go haywire or not to go out of proportion. So this is one that I've done without any specific using compass or anything. Okay. Again, a half, you might see many of the half mandalas that I usually do. Okay, so this is one of them without any background, nothing, just border and plain simple motif.
Ma'am,
Yes.
on wall how you give the strokes in leaves?
Strokes as in I didn't understand. Can you repeat your question, please? I didn't get you.
Or you use acrylic color with water, or only with
No,
acrylic color?
acrylic doesn't need water. Acrylic doesn't need water. You can directly use it on the wall as directly from the bottle. You can, if you want it a little thinner, because वो थोड़ा सा thick होता है. If you think they're too old या ऐसा कुछ, तो थोड़ा सा पानी मिला के तुम लोग कर सकते हो. थोड़ा सा, but where this is concerned, I have not used any water.
Okay.
It was direct. Just take it in a plate so that it dries off very soon. तो थोड़ा थोड़ा प्लेट में लेना चाहिए या पैलेट में लेना चाहिए तुम लोग.
और वो लीफ में आपने वो जो स्ट्रोक्स ये एकदम थिन है जो.
Yeah, that is also paintbrush. Paintbrush, the number is what I've changed. I've done the whole thing with a 0 number and a 2 number round brush, because I'm more of used to thin brushes. So if you want to cover maximum portion or you want to show thicker lines, so you can go for a thicker brush. Or else if you're just trying it for once और इतना बड़ा proportion है, थोड़ा lines गलत नहीं जाए, so you can use a 0 number. Okay.
Ma'am.
Yes.
One more question.
Yes.
For the means, like if we want a same design, like in proportionate, so we can't use butter paper. Like
but then don't you think butter paper से double triple काम हो जाता है? आप पहले बटर पेपर पे ड्रॉ करोगे, फिर उसका ट्रेसिंग आप दूसरे पेपर पे निकालोगे, फिर बटर पेपर निकाल के वापस वो ड्राइंग फाइनल करोगे.
But ma'am, at least it would come in proportion.
But then if you're drawing it in grids, no, वो anyways proportion समझ में आता है. Like if I'm doing this, try not doing it in the whole patch. Like if I have to draw this leaf, what I'll do is my grid is going this way, right?
Yeah.
So I'll complete half a line and then half a line.
Okay.
Okay, so try doing it like at an initial level. Try doing it in half portions ताकि तुम लोग का ये side and ये side similar आए.
Got it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Like pick your pen every time you finish one motif. Like suppose ये हो गया, pen उठाओ, दूसरा लो, दूसरा line draw करो. In whichever direction you're comfortable. Maybe नीचे से ऊपर या ऊपर से नीचे.
Okay.
Okay, और then draw like mark points कि यहाँ पे ये end होना चाहिए and ये इसका center है. Just mark those points lightly and try joining those points together. Clear enough, everyone?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
So can we see a few more Nikhil sir, spotlight please? Okay, so guys, I hope you've understood what exactly mandala is. Before you started, you might have a different perspective. Now that we are ending, you might have a different perspective.
Yes, ma'am.
Learned a few things. You knew a few things. You might update yourself on those things that we have taught today. हाँ ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. आवाज करो.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so we would like to see your versions also. Try tagging us. You know the ritual. You've done anything? Do let us do show. Kadambari nice. Azun banao azun.
Ho.
Okay, so we are ending today's workshop here. We might come up with a few more workshops. This was your last. So I hope you've enjoyed the other workshops also. हाँ ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Or
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Nikhil, would you like to say anything?
Hope to see you guys in the next workshops which we are planning.
Okay, ma'am. Thank
Series
you,
2,
ma'am.
we are coming with the 0.2 again. Oh no, last, yes. This was the last one. We didn't realize, but yes.
I'm arrange it fast.
Sorry?
Arrange it fast. Second workshop.
Arrange it fast. Yes, we are planning. We are on the planning already. We might come up with a date soon. So see you all in the next second series of workshops.
Mom,
Yes,
can't we have workshop for illustration?
guys, that's your subject, so better you learn it there because it's a lot to teach.
Okay. And ma'am,
Ma'am, would you
and
like to say
mandala
anything on this? Leena ma'am would explain you much better in a better
पहले
way.
ये कौन है क्वेश्चन, ये क्वेश्चन है किसका, मैं पहले देखना चाहूंगी.
Seher.
Sorry?
Your voice, sir, your voice is breaking.
Mom.
Hello, Seher.
Ma'am, I wanted to ask you about that mandala and doodle are the same.
No, there are two different things. Doodle is something that you just scribble. So it might go in a specific pattern, it might be into animations, it might be into anything. Like I
Doodle may
said
have
that
some
time.
story also.
Ma'am, in
Exactly.
doodle I have made something like that which you have made on the wall.
Yeah, so that's more of like the wall one is a mandala. But the representation of it is more of a boho kind of thing. The bohemian style that you call.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it is more of that inscriptions that I've done. Okay, so if you're just scribbling a leaf, that is what I can say doodle. Doodle, मैंने तुम लोग को उस दिन भी बताया था जब भी हम लोग Zentangle कर रहे थे. तुम लोग के लास्ट पेजेस स्क्रिबलिंग से भरे रहते थे. टीचर का फोटो, बाजू वाले का फोटो, चैट्स, right? If you remember during your school times, yeah. So that is basically doodling. Okay.
Leena ma'am.
लीना मैम सुन रहे हैं, बोलो.
Ma'am, I wanted the measurement for the illustration because I wanted to try, but I'm not getting how to draw. Like means the
हाँ, मैं बताती हूँ. बहुत लोग हैं जो इलस्ट्रेशन के लिए बोल रहे हैं, बट गाइस आपको एक बात समझनी होगी कि इलस्ट्रेशन इट्स नॉट छोटा सब्जेक्ट, इट्स बिग सब्जेक्ट, इट्स अ वास्ट सब्जेक्ट. एक इवन ऐसे भी पॉसिबल नहीं है. तो भी जितना आप प्रैक्टिकली समझ पाओगे ना उतना अच्छे से नहीं समझ पाओगे, और एक सेशन में वो नहीं आने वाला, बिल्कुल नहीं. मुझे एक्सप्लेन करने भी नहीं होगा.
Ma'am, I can't even try.
You can try and you can send me personally. I'll guide you.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Thank you.
Okay.
Do you have pattern ideas to be used in mandala that we can see? Guys, I think we've shown you various patterns. If you want to go through it again, we'll show it to you. Okay, you can just note them down or take screenshots or see the video again. We'll be sending you the link. Okay, so in the video, you'll be seeing different patterns. You can create your own also, the ones that we have shown. Okay. Ria, I know you'll miss us a lot. We'll meet you in the directly on a call again soon.
बच्चों रोना नहीं है.
She's going to doodle me. I would love that. Oh, I want to see that. Sure, please. Okay, guys. So, okay. So
Mom,
I'm supposed to end the
getting
session.
trolley.
अरे बहुत इमोशनल हो रहे हैं ये लोग.
वापस आ रहे हैं हम लोग, वापस आएंगे.
हम पार्ट 2 सीरीज का लेके आएंगे. डोंट वरी.
2.0.
मैम कोविड-19 जल्दी खत्म हो कि हम लोग आए मैम.
हाँ, एक्चुअली.
सीरियसली इवन वी आर वेटिंग.
हाँ मैम, ऑनलाइन क्लासेस से बेटर मेरा ऑफलाइन क्लासेस है.
रिया इज सेइंग टिश्यूज खत्म हो गए.
रिया मैम, लीना मैम की वजह से.
see everybody in the next sessions. We'll soon update you for those.
Okay, ma'am.
And we'll be waiting for your mandalas.
Yeah.
And
Do tag.
any other things that you're trying that you've learned from the workshop. I can see a lot of you trying origami, coffee painting. Like, do continue that till we teach you something new and till we start with our lectures. Okay? So,
Okay,
bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye,
अच्छा,
ma'am.
we अच्छा, एक minute. They don't want us to end the workshop today. कुछ बोलना है किसी को?
Ma'am,
क्या?
please take plan.
जिया काय बोललास तू?
मिस करेन मी खूप तुम्हाला.
अरे मी पण, आम्ही पण.
मी ट्राय करते आणि तुमचं ऐकते सुद्धा.
नाईस. बनव पूर्ण बनवून फोटो काढून पाठव आम्हाला. Okay, so the final bye.
Okay. Bye,
Yes,
guys.
ma'am.
Bye,
Bye,
guys.
ma'am.